Jai and everybody, very good morning. Children, hope you all are following the message given by our Prime Minister, Mr. Narendra Modi, about SMS. SMS doesn't mean that the messages that you get in your mobile, but it means S means soap, M means mask, and S means social distancing. I hope you all are following it at home when your parents are there at home or not there. You must follow this to protect yourself from corona. Now, we will do one activity with you all, and you will also conduct that activity at home. I hope you will enjoy this activity. Now children, let us start the activity. And this activity, this type of measurement usually was done by the people in the olden days. Long time back, when there was no unit of measurement, people used to follow their parts of body to measure the length of anything. Like they used to use finger width or hand span and elbow length, and they used to also use their foot to measure the length of the floor, etc. Today we will do this activity. I hope you will also just find out some objects around in the room and get ready to measure along with me the objects. Today we will measure the objects, that is scale. We will measure a box and a book, following finger width and hand span. Now let us start the activity. First of all, you all must be having this scale with you all. Now get ready. Let us measure. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. How many finger width? 5 finger width. Now let us write 5 finger width. Now let me start with hand span. 1 and 2. How many? 2. How many hand span? 2 hand span. Now let us write down here. How many hand span? 2 hand span of the scale. The hand span of the scale. Now let us start measuring the box. Box with finger width. 1, 2 and 3. How many finger width? 3 finger width. Now let me write. What is the length of this box? 3 finger width. Now let us do with hand span. Now this is totally 1 hand span. Alright. Now let us write it on the board. 1 hand span. Now you can see what is the total length of this box. That is, if we measure with finger width, then it is how many? 3. Okay. And when we do hand span, it is 1. Alright. So how many is hand span of the, what is the length of the box according to the hand span? 1. Now we will do it with your own course book. Okay, let us start. You all have having this course book with you? Alright. Now let us measure the length of the book. Now with using finger width. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many finger width? 4 finger width. How many finger width? 4 finger width. Alright. Now we will use our hand span. 1, 2. How many hand span? 2 hand span. Now let me write this. 2 hand span. Alright. Now again I will just repeat. How many hand span? 1 and 2. Alright. You all must have also done with your little hands. Alright. Now 2 hand span is there. Again I repeat, what was the finger width of the scale? 5 and hand span 2. What was the finger width of the box? 3 and hand span only 1. Now, what is the length of this book according to finger width? That is 4 and hand span 2. Now we will find out which is the biggest measurement. You can see scale 5 finger width and 2 hand span, box 3 finger width, 1 hand span, and book 4 finger width and 2 hand span. Now which one is the bigger? Guess, find out fast. Okay, now which one is the bigger? The length of the scale. The length of the scale is the biggest measurement. The length of the scale is the biggest measurement because when we compare this scale with the box, again it is big, and when we compare the book with the scale, again you can see the scale is the biggest one. The length of the scale is more than the book and the box. So children, the length of the scale is more than the other two objects. Now, which is the smallest? Find it out. See, again, scale 5 finger width and 2 hand span, box 3 finger width, 1 hand span, and book 4 finger width, 2 hand span. Now, which one is the smallest one? That is the box. Which one is the smallest one? That is box. Understood? Now you know how to measure with using your fingers, your hand span, your elbow. Even you can measure the cloth with your hand span. In the olden days they used to do it. There was no unit of measurement. But now we have the unit of measurement. We measure anything and any length of any object by using centimeter, millimeter, centimeter, meter and kilometer. Children, thank you. We are stopping this activity here. I hope you are all safe at home. Keep on drinking Kara, which we have already posted the ingredients. Stay home, stay safe.